Hello everyone and welcome back for another installment of our vlog. Today I have a very special announcement for all of you. Both of the properties that you visited on our last episode are going to contract. We have accepted offers on both. Right now we're standing outside of Plainview number 4 where it was just a hole in the ground the last time you were here. And right after this we're heading over to Saiasset where we hadn't even started the demo last time and the whole new house is up. That was a total rebuild. This one's a new construction and I'm going to share all of the details from the behind the scenes transaction that took place and how we got to this point. And this is Plainview 4. We were pouring the foundation the last time you were here. Check out this amazing drone footage. Right now, the house is fully framed, windows, siding, roofing done. We actually got this roof on before our second blizzard of the year. The first one, unfortunately, we weren't able to dodge, and we had to bring people here to shovel snow. All the snow from the cul-de-sac got pushed in front of the house. We had to dig everything out, probably spent another 2 hours inside moving snow from the inside, and that's why we use Advantech plywood, so you don't have to worry about stuff like that. But we put the house up, we beat the second blizzard, and as soon as I put this sign up and the siding went, we knew this house was gonna sell. It was just a matter of picking our buyer. And we had 4 showings last Sunday. That was our first showing. We had 3 offers from those 4 people, and we accepted the one with the best terms and the most serious buyer. And here we are, ready to customize their dream home. But it's not going to be a 1-year process like you're used to seeing when you see someone building a custom house. Over the next 3 months, they're going to pick all their interior finishes without the 1-year dragged out process, fighting with your contractor, and still get a somewhat custom experience. Let's go inside so I can show you what we've done so far. Let's do a quick run through of the floor plan and then we'll come back and talk about some of the features of this build. We've got a 2-story entry foyer, which is open to your living room and dining room. Right now we're standing in our formal living room. And as we make our way through this hallway, you've got a huge family room and kitchen. People love an open concept. The 9-foot ceilings really add to that. And a key feature for all our buyers, I've said it 100 times, is a bedroom on the first floor. Especially in this post-pandemic era, even if you don't have anybody staying with you on a frequent basis, that room can be a great place to work from home or go to school while you're not really in the rest of the living spaces of the house. So we've got a 5th bedroom on the first floor, stairs down to the basement, a very centrally located full bath, because if you are going to have a bedroom, you need the bathroom, and you also want it to be accessible to the hallway if you're going to also use this as your powder room. We're going to have a full custom tiled shower, but also centrally located so the guests can use it as well. This kitchen and family room speaks for itself. You've got a double kitchen window, sliding patio doors. You're going to have a huge island in the middle with U-shaped cabinetry. We know exactly where our stove's gonna go, so we framed out for our range hood venting. Later on, we're not gonna find out there's a giant 2x6 in the way. Of course, we're gonna center the sink to the window, have an island this way, and a large part of the appeal of this property is this beautiful backyard. There's nobody behind this house, and that's another reason why people really love this house when they moved here. There's no neighbor here because that house that was built 2 years ago has a double property, so you're never gonna have a house towering over your backyard. Now, through this way, we have a 1-car garage, formal dining room, and we definitely didn't skimp on the windows. We don't have steps going yet down to the basement, but we poured the concrete slab. We have the steps going outside. I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a second. But let's go upstairs quickly so I can show you the second floor layout. Right now we're standing in the primary suite. As a real estate industry, we've moved away from the term master bedroom or master suite, and the more accepted term now has become primary suite or owner suite. So we're standing here in the primary suite with this wonderful high ceiling detail. We have a double closet here, a walk-in closet here, and of course, all our closets have lights. We're gonna do a pocket door here. I've already spoken with HD pocket doors. I've always kind of stayed away from them, but with their heavy-duty hardware, it's a great way to incorporate a pocket door and have a reliable system. And we saved space by doing that in this master bedroom. Shout out to AMW Development for helping me tweak this floor plan a little bit. We've got a double vanity, a separate closet for the toilet. I actually have a Panasonic hi-hat and exhaust fan going in there, so you're not gonna have a weird looking exhaust fan and a light and an AC vent in there. It'll be a very nicely thought out little space with a toilet, and then just against this wall, we'll have a walk-in shower, a soaking tub, and we've already framed out for this custom niche. It's gonna be a beautiful stone-wrapped niche for your shampoo, your soap, whatever else you've got going on, and a glass shower door closing off both sides. Who caught that? Somebody definitely heard me say master bath. Well, that was a mistake. Over 10 years now I've been saying master suite, master bath, master bedroom, but we're gonna have to work through that. We've got a 2-story entry foyer here and a very thoughtful layout. We've got a full bath for these bedrooms. We've got a linen closet, a laundry closet, 3 generous sized bedrooms, and your favorite child or family member gets this wonderful bedroom here with a walk-in closet, its own ensuite bath, and a very generous 11 by 16 sleeping area. That bedroom's the same size, but this one's got its own ensuite, and there's really every single box that you can imagine checked here. 2x6 frame, Pella windows, center light fixture for your chandelier or fan, hi-hats in every single bedroom. I never understand why we can't get hi-hats in all bedrooms. We're gonna have crown moldings here, solid doors, 3 1/4 oak flooring. And as we get through this process, our buyer's gonna get to pick the stain color, the paint, the tile, the countertops, the cabinets, the appliances, all the things that you wanna put in your custom home, but you rarely get that opportunity, and very few people are gonna actually be able to go out, buy a piece of land, and build a custom home. So that's the experience that we try to provide. Hopefully they'll be a wonderful reference for us to add to the long list of satisfied clients that we've had. Now let's go over to Saiasset, where we can get you some more of this in-person, behind-the-scenes construction action. Before we head over to Saiasset, just take a quick look around this backyard. You've come to expect a certain level of quality from us, especially when it comes to the curb appeal. And this is gonna be no exception. Sprinklers, fence, patio, sod. It's gonna be 100% complete and ready to enjoy for our client from the day they move in. Over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna move towards insulation and then sheetrock, and then it's all about the interior finishes. But let's head over to Saiasset so I can show you how much amazing progress we've made there already. And now we're outside of Saiasset number 2, and the transformation here speaks for itself. We kept this existing ranch, took it down to the foundation, and built it back up again to today's new construction standards. 2x6 frame, all new structural, new rear addition, new basement entrance, new front stoop, and now we're just about ready for the windows. They're gonna be delivered on Saturday morning. They're all gonna go in on the same day, and then next week, we're gonna start with the vinyl siding. In the meantime, we've also found a buyer here, and we all know in this business that it's really not official until they sign on the dotted line, but we've got a contract out. I drew up a spec list, and now they're gonna get to customize every single detail of this build. We're doing stone across the front. That second floor detail with the shed roof is gonna be wrapped with AZEK trim to give it a nice raised panel look. And all of this is gonna be re-landscaped. Double car driveway for the 2-car garage, brand new paver walkway. That portico is gonna get a brand new stoop. As you can see, we poured the footing, new columns, and in total, we're about 4,000 square feet here, plus a finished basement. This home is gonna be absolutely beautiful, but also fit in with the new constructions all over this neighborhood. This is one of the few neighborhoods in Saiasset where we're zoned for half-acre lots. Let me take you to the backyard to show you where the real transformation is gonna happen. It's now the end of March, and we have every intention of making sure that our buyer gets to enjoy this pool this year. And truth be told, you can't do much of anything with this right now. We just finalized our meeting with our pool contractor, and we're gonna need the works here. New fence, new patio. We're gonna re-support the pool while we do a brand new liner, new base, new equipment, new heater, and this entire property is gonna get landscaped. You don't just have a half-acre in Saiasset and not make the best of it. We're gonna make sure this is fully graded, sod, sprinklers, PVC fencing, and look at this rear elevation. We've got a couple of nice details with that shed roof over the sliding door, a little bump out for the guest suite. We've got a basement entrance, a side door, patio doors, and just imagine one cohesive entertaining space coming out from that guest suite, coming out from the kitchen family room, and all you're gonna see from the back of the house and all these windows is this beautiful pool and over 200 feet deep backyard. Now, usually I bring you through the front door to give you an idea of the floor plan, but since the backyard is gonna be the main focus in this house, we're gonna come right into this kitchen and family room, and it's noticeably bigger than the Plainview house. This is all one big kitchen and family room. This little bump out is gonna be a perfect place for a breakfast table, and you'll have plenty of room to walk around. We'll have a big L-shaped kitchen, some appliances on that side, and we made sure to bump the ceiling height up to 9 feet because nowadays with new construction, everybody wants 9 feet. We did 2x6 frame, the same Pella wood frame windows, and this floor plan is really nice. It's really wide open. You've got a dining room on this side off the kitchen. You've got a big formal living room on that side. And this is that guest suite that I was talking about before. We've got a 2-car garage, a little mudroom area, a hallway to the backyard, a full bath, and a guest suite. When you come in from the garage with your groceries, from the backyard, from the front door, everything is centrally located. And now let's take a look upstairs. On this floor, we've got 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths, including 2 en-suites. We've got 2 large bedrooms, a full bath. In this hallway, we've got a pull-down stair, 2-story entry foyer. And this bedroom right here is a full ensuite. We've got a double closet, a nice big bathroom, and you'll notice that each room is quite generously sized. Ideally, this would be your bed wall, TV over there, doorway over here. This is quite a bedroom for just about anyone. And now we've got another bedroom over here, a nice big linen closet, a laundry, and in the primary suite, we've got this cathedral ceiling, double closet, huge walk-in, and a very similar layout to Plainview with this pocket door, double vanity, built-in custom shower, soaking tub, and a separate water closet for the toilet. As I mentioned before, we have a buyer lined up, and over the next couple of weeks, they're gonna get to choose every one of these interior finishes. Every car that drives by keeps slowing down to take a look because they just can't believe what we've accomplished in the last 6 or 7 weeks. And if you love content like this, then you'll love my Instagram page. We update projects like this every single day. At Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this episode. And over the next few weeks, Plainview 4 and Saiasset number 2 will come together. We'll be sharing all the progress with you. And of course, we'll bring you back for a full video tour when this is all done. Thank you very much and have a great day.